Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, plenty of clouds across the area this evening. Unfortunately, we won't be able to see that meteor storm or meteor outburst. But if you're working and watching offshore, 50 miles out in the Gulf of Mexico, excellent shot at 10:50 tonight. Look off to the east. You can get more on our social media pages, also KATC.com. I have an article up there as well. Here's the big picture across the lower 48. So we're going to stick to mostly weather here. We have a storm system coming out of the southwest that has been producing snow, rain, the whole 9 yards, even sleet and some hail at elevation from the southwest through the Rockies, and showers now progressing to the east, and this whole mess is going to be moving eastward with time. It's been energizing the subtropical jet stream. That's why the clouds have been on the increase, even a few light showers now over towards southeast Texas. Also, we're getting some stratiform clouds coming in from the Gulf of Mexico, so we're starting to get several layers of clouds out there across the region late this evening. So here we go with the first model. I'm going to show you two tonight. Here's the NAM model showing, again, overcast skies, maybe a few sprinkles as we head toward tomorrow morning, but significant rain chances hold off into the afternoon. And this latest model run has been slower with the showers and storms compared to earlier runs, but scattered activity in the afternoon. Not seeing a whole lot going on. And then as the front gets closer in after drive time tomorrow night, it looks like scattered showers right along that frontal boundary at midnight. Earlier runs had that front pretty much over Lafayette by midnight. So this means showers will continue on and off through the wee morning hours of Saturday morning, ending early Saturday. I have to throw in a 30% for Saturday morning because of the slower model here, and then eventually clearing out by late in the afternoon. But it's going to be significantly cooler after a high tomorrow in the upper 70s. Here's the latest run of the high resolution rapid refresh model, going with scattered showers and thunder showers. The front being back here once again. That activity moving through at about midnight or so. So this model a little bit faster, but has the same idea. Some lingering showers early Saturday and then clearing after Saturday morning. So not a perfect weekend after perfect weekends, weekend after weekend in a row. Now also there's a severe weather risk, a marginal one at that, which is just a 5% chance of a storm that could contain damaging winds, mainly for western sections of Acadiana, Lafayette, Opelousas, we'll say Abbeville on westward. Risk of isolated damaging winds in the 5% range, about 2% or less for an isolated tornado. So not overly concerned with severe weather, but there is that element involved, especially if we have storms during the afternoon when we have some daytime heating going on. Just something that we'll keep an eye on. Rainfall totals don't get set too high on a lot of rain. Most models going between 1/10 of an inch and 1/2 an inch of rain. Wherever there are storms, you're going to see a couple of inches of rain, but again, most of us not getting much rain, and it's been pretty dry going back to October and much of this month as well. And the high resolution rapid refresh model showing much the same as well, 1/10 of an inch to maybe 1/2 an inch of rain at most. Isolated spots where the storms are, and notice how the models are pretty similar, showing some thunderstorm activity southwest Louisiana and then up toward Alexandria, where you'll get a better downpour or two, and that incidentally may be where the severe weather might manifest as well. So cloudy through tomorrow, rain chances perking up late in the day, especially by this time tomorrow night. Going into the overnight hours, we'll have 60% during the day. We'll say 80% tomorrow night, 30% very early Saturday, but the sun comes out late. Sunday, a nice day. Monday, milder. And look at next week. It's seesaw temperature time, with temperatures getting close to 80 on Tuesday with scattered storms associated with a frontal boundary. Then a cooler Wednesday, and you think, oh, it's going to stay cool for Thanksgiving. No, it's going to start to warm up again. Temperatures once again upper 70s to near 80 toward Black Friday and also Saturday, and then perhaps another front next weekend. So weather getting a little bit more interesting. We wish we didn't have the clouds though, so we could see that meteor storm. It would have been the first in my lifetime, but not happening here.
All righty, thank you, Rob.